What's good, Hoodrich fam? Hoodrich Credit tapping in. Look, y'all, let's get straight into it. So, look, a rule that a lot of people forget after credit card stacking is opening up new checking accounts with other institutions. Okay, when you guys start credit stacking, you guys already obtain all your guys' credit cards from big bank institutions, credit unions, whatever it is, right? The main thing you should be doing right after obtaining those cards is looking for new credit unions and new banks that you can start stacking with each bureau: TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. It's a rule that a lot of people forget. Okay, so start lining up your institutions. Get some like 2, 3, 4 institutions that you want to build a relationship with one bureau, then do the same with the other 2 bureaus. Okay, don't go too crazy, because remember, banks and credit unions typically they pull check systems, right? And if you got too much increase in a short amount of time with check systems, meaning too much open checking accounts, other credit unions will flag you when opening up an account, if that makes sense. Okay, but like I said, start lining up your institutions that you're ready to apply for the next 6 months. New credit cards, new institutions you want to build relationships with, okay? Credit unions specifically. The reason why I say that is credit unions lean towards more relationship banking, okay? So the 6-month time frame that you have of building that relationship with a credit union, most likely they're going to give you a bigger bag than a big bank institution, okay, y'all? And you know, big bank institutions, most of the times they got their rules set up. Like, for example, Chase with the 5/24 rule, okay? So credit unions is where it's at. And then finally, the credit cards that you obtained in the beginning of the garden stage, those credit cards might allow you to ask for a credit limit increase every 3 months, every 3 billing statements, okay? So ask for a credit limit increase with those certain credit cards that you already have. So when it comes time to apply for the new credit cards, when you get out of the garden stage, they see higher limits on your report and they're more willing to extend to you more funding. Also, too, there's certain credit cards that allow you to ask for an increase every 6 months. Okay, so at the end of your garden stage, you might have to wait an additional month if you got approved for those credit limit increases, because you want to let them refresh on your credit report. It takes around 3 to 4 weeks for your credit report to refresh. Now, once it refreshes, you know, typically garden stages is 6 months, but like I said, you got to let them increases, you know, update on your credit report. So it would be 7 months in this case. So yeah, that's the whole blueprint on what you should be doing during your garden stage. Okay, immediately open checking accounts with credit unions and big banks, build that relationship between them 6 months, and between that garden stage, ask for a credit limit increase. Okay, so hopefully y'all enjoyed this quick little video. Y'all have a good day. The Hoodrich way, come.